Hi guys, so today trying something new. I know I've only got a handful of videos up. Yeah, this is my first time doing a commentary, I guess you could say. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm new to this. Talking on camera makes me a bit nervous. Well, not on camera, but yeah, just doing a voiceover. But yeah, let's give it a go. I do have to apologise in advance if I can't get words out or I'm having trouble. I'm on pretty strong pain medication. Sometimes it jumbles my brain up a bit, and I have trouble getting the words out. But yeah. Well, let's just try and get into it. So today, going to take out the German Yorck for some games. One, maybe two games. Have to see how it goes. Not very good cruiser captain. I do prefer my battleships. I do like to be able to get in there, take a few hits and brawl a bit, but yeah, let's see how this one goes. Alright, here we go. First game in the Yorck. Yeah, we've been up tiered quite a bit. So tier 7, I've got a few tier 9s in here, but let's see what we can do. Hopefully don't do too bad. I do apologise about that. That was my phone going off in the background. Alright. I'll do a push down at A. It's got a lot of good island cover. Hopefully I don't just end up getting one-shotted or torped like crazy. But lucky, no carriers. I found a lot of the time, the last two patches now, getting a hell of a lot of double carriers on each team. It's not fun, especially when you're in a cruiser. They just first 30 seconds of a game and you get rocketed and you're out. Not much fun. I think Wargaming really need to look into reducing it to a max of one carrier side. I know a lot of carrier players there, they won't be happy to hear that, but yeah. And I do apologise, if I go quiet. I'm really not used to talking to my computer screen. In all fairness, this is really quite new for me. I've only, like I said at the start, there's only a few videos up. Have got some views, nothing crazy. And I thought, well, the kids. I've got 3 boys and they're at school now, and I figured, well, it's nice and quiet out here. I'll attempt to do a bit of commentary. And there we go. Here we go. We've got a destroyer just been spotted on a hydro. Just because I reckon he's going to probably send some torps up this way. Already got HE loaded. Terrible shot. So what I tell you, torpedoes. Wow, not gonna lie, I was not expecting to hit him. So we're out. That one might nick him. Yeah, it was a nick. Not a lot. Keep turning up this way just because there's a King George, and everyone knows a lot of British captains always like to fire HE. I don't know why it's a British thing. I think I prefer to use AP unless it's coming up against a cruiser, a cruiser destroyer. But yeah. So we've managed to push that destroyer out. Now there's a cruiser. Hopefully doesn't see our something saying that, yeah. Kazuki, get out of there. I hope I'm not coming across too quiet on the video. Get the word out there. I'm worried that destroyer's going to come poking his head around the side of this island.
Enemy battleship detected.
I can't remember if I got the priority targeting skill on this Yorck. 7-salvo, turn out. I got a feeling that. Damn, actually set fire. Probably planks, I just got a feeling. I know there's no carriers, but they do still spot torpedoes. Yeah, the gun's pretty slow to rotate on this, I have to admit. 5 minutes in, 12k damage. It's not the best. And I'm nowhere near anything close to being great at this game. I play for a bit of fun. I can only manage to play for a couple of hours at best a day, just because of my current situation, but yeah, but why not make a video, see what people think. Some people might like it, some people might hate it, but
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
It gives me something to do. I feel like I've actually accomplished something, achieved something. I am a bit of a swearer, so I'll bite my tongue as much as I can to not swear. Yeah.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Get back!
Damn, I actually set a fire on him. Is he gonna let it burn? Or is he gonna just put it out? 791, just in case he's like, nah, you know, I'll put that out. Just pushing the car. 1900 is not too bad. Did I get one away? No, I got several shells. So it looks like we managed to help and push everyone away from the cap. Still more destroyer torpedoes coming in. That was a nice hit on the King George. Very unusual. What's he doing? He's got a heel cranking now. You can just see his bar going up. Unfortunately, it would have been nice to get the, I believe it's called the Arsonist Award for burning down a ship. I believe it's called the Arsonist. Probably wrong, but just let me know.
Get back!
Alright, I got AP loaded now. Don't know where that destroyer is.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Hydro up, because he's probably going to be flooding this area with more and more torpedoes. God, I'm terrible shot. Yeah, glad I put the hydro. Here we go. Come on, come on. Radar kick. That was a well-dropped torpedo. That must have been both of them. They've still got hydro running, so good thing about the Germans, they got long duration hydro. Just as a shot is turning out. I missed. What? A miss is a miss. stop the turn. Yeah, these guys are definitely coordinating. Speaking of the door, there's one now. Come on. Not gonna hit him. No. Oh.
Concentrate fire.
Switch to AG. Never know. Come on. Was a hit. He's put the fire out, which is no surprise. Do that, that'd be massive help for our team. He's probably chucking Huey so he can lob the rest of his torpedoes at me. So we're gonna die, more than likely. But it's always best to head nose in. Yep, there's more torpedoes. And he's in A. Flying up, never know. Might help, might spot.
Fighter airborne.
Might not. Must be behind this island. Really nervous about pushing around the island because I don't know when his torpedoes are going to be up. There he is. I'm expecting, yep, there they are.
Fighter destroyed.
Just in case he comes out thinking that you can try and torpedo me. Never know. Nope, he's just going to sit there. He's in a good position to lob torpedoes down.
The enemy is about to win.
Yeah, this is not a good game. Come on, get him, oh, get him.
The enemy is about to win.
Yes, I was clicking, couldn't fly because I was trying to turn the ship too hard. Yeah, I don't know if I said it already. I'm not a massive cruiser player, to be honest. I do like my battleships. Just
the enemy is about to win.
Baller ship. Oh, worst time to come in. Worst time. Oh, I just muffed this off. I'm out. That's it. God damn it. Well, don't know why I should have ran my hydro earlier, but hey, that happens sometimes. Alright, we're back with another battle. Second battle or match. Looks like we're top tier, which should be interesting. Let's not do what we did last match. Alright, so we've got a destroyer, Russian cruiser, I believe. Heading to sea. I'll push down there, give him a hand. Sea's always a interesting cap to get. So we got one carrier each side. Let's get there as quick as we can.
Enemy force detected.
Yeah, it was pretty shocking last game. Can't believe I did that. Pulled out straight in front of a cruiser. Deploying a fighter because we've got rocket aircraft in. Don't know if they're going for me, but AA helps either way. I make sure I got the HE loaded. We'll probably be facing enemy ships bow in, and these AP just ricochet like crazy. Looks like our carrier's concentrating on C, which is always good. Gotta watch out for torpedoes though. Obviously destroyers like to flood the place with torpedoes. Unfortunately, I can't come to a stop because looks like their carrier's focusing C as well, which means I'll be sitting duck.
Fighter returning to ship.
Yep, there's the torps.
All stations.
As you see
reporting
him.
the position of a strategic
Of course,
target.
he's sitting side on. Yep, because why wouldn't you? Destroy place, please. When you're in a smoke screen, don't just sit side on like that. You're just asking to get torpedoed. It's the first thing an enemy destroyer is going to do. They're just going to flood the area with torpedoes. He's turning out. Very, very poor shooting from this idiot. I'm targeted by 2. Königsberg's down. Don't know if my hydro will reach that far. Send some rounds out. Never know. Just double check actually. Yep, what's the range on this? 5.5 for ships. Look, hasn't learned. Still sitting pretty much side on into the smoke screen. Like, come on. Destroyer's not happy. Set my hydro. Don't want to go out too far. There is a battleship down there somewhere. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, here comes some torps. Like a clown, I'm gonna eat one again. Right on the nose, right on the oh, how lucky is that? It looks like that battleship just put that one fire out of set. So if we can get another one, his destroyer. Check for the torps. Hydra's still running, so hopefully these guys see the torps. Congo looks like he might hit a couple. No, yep, he ate one. Unfortunately, but. So that destroyer's dead. We got 3 battleships pushing in down this area. Fortunately, I don't have shots over this island. So I'm going to try and push up a little bit. Torpedo planes in. Wasn't paying attention to the mini-map.
Our team has taken the lead. Fighter airborne.
Let's target Megaton. See if we can't get some fire set. Oh, he slowed right down. Didn't see the torpedo bombs coming in. Monkeys. Yep, like I said, I'm a bit of a swearer. I'm trying my best not to be. Bit of damage, but we'll live. don't want to show too much broadside to this Nagato. Right, so he's taking talks, he's on fire. Hopefully he's already burnt his damage control. Not massive damage numbers, but every bit helps the team out. He's got 2 fires on him now. Let's see if we can't get a third. So this back and forth cat and mouse gameplay, it's not really my thing. Yeah, look at these. It's a very common thing to see. Battleships just running into each other. So we can't get a fire on this first, on this Congo, sorry. Nagato's down. Hope I'm saying that right, Nagato. Hope so. Well, Congo's down. Oh, yep, there he goes.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. Our victory is
So
in
now
sight.
it's just the last battleship that's doing his best to run and get out of there. Oh, look at that grouping. And as always, I miss. Just keep sending shots out, just creep forward nice and slow. Not gonna rush out there like an idiot. Looks like they're really having trouble at A. Looks like the enemy team's got a good foothold over there. Oh, he just got slapped. So I don't want to push out too hard. Oh, it's good we've got a battleship leading the way.
Victory is in
Leading the
sight.
charge. Oh, now I get a fire. Oh, can I get the Arsonist Award? Nope.
Our victory is in sight.
That's one thing I don't think I've managed to achieve as an Arsonist Award in this game. Nagato looks like he's going to go for the gap. I don't want to get in his road. We're doing very well on points, as you can see at the top of the screen. The enemy's just collapsing. It was a good push and hold on this flank. Looks like a mission I might actually survive. Very rare for me to survive in a cruiser. Like I said, I'm really not the best cruiser player. I do like to be in a battleship where I can push in a bit harder, be a bit more aggressive. Sometimes I do get cranky at our team and I just push in like an absolute knob. That I can't think of anything else to call it, but yeah, I just push in like an absolute madman and I get sunk and I get angry. Yeah, vicious cycle. So carrier's in view, he's been spotted, of course he's behind the furthest island. Now we're well ahead in points. This is where our team is either going to play it smart or they're going to push like an absolute idiot and throw the game, essentially. That's what usually happens. Yep, we just lost the ship. What do they got? Gunars now, Atlanta, King George, Scharnhorst, and a carrier. Well, I'm not even going to try and say that name. Oh, their Gunars now just went down. Which is good for us. If he's, depends what build he's got on it. Gunars now is a pretty good ship. It's actually one of my favourite German battleships. I have managed to unlock the Tier 9 battleship in the German lineup, and for the life of me I cannot remember what it's called off the top of my head. But yeah, just got to save up the points to get it. Points, credits, money, whatever you want to call it. Let's try and help this guy out with their fighters and now AA. Still didn't copy hit, but pretty much no damage done. His second run's coming back in. Looks like he's picked me. Nope, they're all dead. The carrier's going to be running. If we can take that carrier out, it'd be big help for our team. Get rid of their eyes, essentially. That takes pressure off our carrier player. Not bad AA's guns on this cruiser. Oof. Jesus.
The ship is on fire.
Come on, talk about throwing the game. Going in like an absolute idiot.
Problem solved, sir.
I'm getting out of here. I'll try and tuck myself behind this island. That's an Atlanta, that's scary. That is scary. Atlantas, I don't know if any of you guys watching play this game, but Atlantas are a scary, scary ship. They can melt you down within seconds. Wish I had AP loaded. Didn't think about it. Just poor lead on my behalf. Gotta watch out for that other shit. Don't know where their carrier's going at this stage. I don't really care, to be honest. Well, decent hits on there, Atlanta. All my guns are facing this way. Oh, look at this. AP, load the AP. Wow, set a fire. Oh, he should have got deleted. He should have got deleted from that battleship. Hey, actually got a kill. Like I said, I'm not the best cruiser captain. Let's just send some rounds his way. Never know. Never know. Just outside my range. I want to go in for him, see if I can't get another kill, but at the same time, I don't want to be the guy that throws this game. Don't want to be that guy. Let's just put it that way. This Congo's just sitting out there, just, and this Nagato, something tells me that these two guys might be the ones that throw this game. Yeah, Hatsuharu looks like he's going carrier hunting with no luck. Carrier's gone quiet though, I haven't seen any enemy aircraft up recently. Don't have shots on him. Oh, speaking of which, here comes torpedoes. There's the carrier.
Our victory is in sight.
Let's get the HE ready. Don't know how good AP's going to do to hit him. Let's see. That's not a bad amount of damage actually. Shocked about that AP salvo. I don't usually get hits like that with AP on the ship. Got a fire set. He's unspotted, so hopefully he's like, yep, I used my damage control. He's motoring. Best option we got is just to head to sea. Cap C out. Oh, what is our carrier doing? not want to show broadside to that King George. Can't get over the island. Yeah, I definitely do not want to show broadside to that King George.
Our victory is in sight.
Just lob a couple of rounds, never know. Might hit him, might have a chance to set a fire. Sorry dude, I've got no more. That Atlanta's copped a pounding, he's almost dead. I don't know if pounding was rude or not, but like I said, I'm a bit of a swearer. Doing my best not to say any foul language. Yep, got another fire set. Hopefully that sticks. Looks like it has. King George's got a decent heel on it though. Wouldn't surprise me if he puts it out. Puts it out, gets a decent heel underway. I can't see where he is, but I'm using the mini-map to help me guide me shots. Puts a bit of a circle above his ship to say, hey, this is where the round should hit. So, not taking any risks by lobbing shells over the island. He's trying to tuck himself into that island to get himself a bit more secure, but yeah, I don't think he's going to be able to get out of range of the Nagato. Oh, he's unspotted. There's the Atlanta. He's going for a carrier. Bugger. I guess. Yeah. Come on, let's get there. Let's get there. Hopefully stay out of the sights of the King George. I believe the Atlanta does have torpedoes. Oh, I just don't understand why a carrier pushed so far up. Honestly don't.
Our victory is in sight.
No, the carrier's gone, unfortunately. I don't know where that King George is gone. Oh, he's spotted, he's still there. That Atlanta. I reckon he's going to go straight for that gap in the island. King George is down.
Our team has taken the lead.
That Atlanta. His only option is to go to... No, not even that. Well, 10 seconds of the game left. See if I can bait him out. I'll take a shot back. No, that's it. Well, actually survived in a cruiser. Bit of a shock. Damage to allies. Oh, that would have been when that guy hit me, but yeah. Not an incredible game, but just average gameplay. Like I said, I've never said I'm anything special at this game. I just play because I enjoy it. So, yeah, that wasn't too bad, not too bad at all. Alright, so, there's 2 matches for you. Like I stated, I'm nothing special at the game, I just play because I enjoy playing the game. I only get to play for a couple of hours a day, that's all I can manage to do. I do play a lot with my younger son. There's already a video up on my channel of us 2 playing, and there'll be more videos like that coming through of me and him playing. I'm not going to just sit there and upload matches that have got crazy kills or high damage. I'm not that type of player. I just show you what I am. If I do manage to get a great game, yeah, I'll throw it up, but just the same like the first game, I didn't do 2 crash shot. Stupid me didn't click that the destroyer's still there, and he's probably waiting for me to push. But yeah, you get that sometimes. So yeah, like I said, first time doing commentary over it. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments how it turned out. I know I might seem a little bit flat in that. I am nervous about doing this. So as time progresses, hopefully I'll start coming out of the shell a bit and not be sound so serious and dull. But yeah, you just leave comments down. Let me know how it goes. If you want to see the channel grow, you know, maybe think about giving it a sub this way, a subscription, and hit the like if you enjoyed. Hit the dislike if you didn't. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.